Here he is, Peter the Anteater! Yeah!
Hey.
Hey, Peter. Did you get your COVID-19 vaccine yet? That's great news. Have you uploaded your vaccination record to the UCI Student Health Center portal yet? Why not? It's quick and easy, and once it's done, you can get back to campus. Here are the steps. Before you start, double-check that your full name and birthday are correct. Make sure you have a photo of your COVID-19 vaccination card on your desktop so you can easily access it. Go to the Student Health Center website at shc.uci.edu. Select Student Health Patient Portal on the left. Enter your date of birth starting with the month, day, and then the year, and click Proceed. Select Medical Clearances on the left, and select COVID-19 Update. Select Upload, and find the file for your COVID-19 vaccine card, and click Open. Click Looks Good if it's the correct file, and enter the first and second dates of the shot. Then enter the vaccine manufacturer, and select Done. That's it! Great job, Peter! By uploading your vaccination verification info, you're doing your part to help our campus get back on track. So what's the first thing you're going to do when you get back to campus? For more information, visit uci.edu/coronavirus.